Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check if a list is empty in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you're coding some sort of algorithm and a requirement in that algorithm might be for a certain list to be empty, for example. So you might need to have a certain check in place to see if the list is empty. If not, some other rules may be applied. So I'll be showing you how to check if a list is empty in Python today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to zoom into the code a bit so it's easier to see. And I've just got a notebook open in Jupyter Notebook. So I'm going to let my empty list be called X, and now what we're going to do is we're basically going to exploit or use the Boolean property of list in Python. So all you have to do is say if not X, then you can just print that X is empty. So if I run that, as you can see, since X is empty, it will essentially give me that. And I'm also just going to put an else statement that gives us an error if X is not an empty list. This essentially would generally help out in the code if you've got a large amount of code. This helps trace the error, for example, and let's just check if that works. So if I run that, as you can see, it gives me the error because X is now not an empty list. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to check if a list is empty in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.